we continue with our short lecture on how e-learning courses and study programs work. What we would like you to do is being assertive. Build a community of inquiry. Let's see what this means. So find information, search for it on the internet, in the library, ask people, interview people, observe. All this is finding information, and then make a tentative opinion and state it using your own words. Please avoid plagiarism. That's a major academic sin. Copy and pasting is, let's use these words, it's a criminal act at university studies. Do not plagiarize. Use your own words. With 2 or more opinions to discuss, you can negotiate meaning and get training in handling a lot of information and different points of view critically and selectively. You have to ensure that there are at least 2 opinions in the group. If everybody agrees, it doesn't work. So coping diplomatically but effectively with various group members can be a very useful skill in later career, where synergistic teamwork often is in demand. Learn and practice how to plan and organize a group and get to work quickly. It is usually a smart idea to make a personal portfolio or a blog. Notes, articles, essays, lectures, PowerPoints, graphics, photos, videos, and other products that you have produced, individually or with others, belong in your personal portfolio. The portfolio provides evidence for development in your skills and should function as a well-organized archive for some of your learning outcomes. When you use a personal portfolio, it is very easy for others, as well as yourself, to prove that you have reified your learning process. Reification, remember? Turn your portfolio into your own course blog. Very often, a potential employer would like to see your blog where you demonstrate your own learning and your own products. Convince your prospective employer, go and see your blog rather than your Facebook page. Go for deep learning. Avoid surface learning. Produce lines of reasoning. Demonstrate insight and ability to use knowledge to solve problems rather than to reproduce fragments of information. Again, please avoid being a parrot. That is not what we look for at master's level. Surface learning, you memorize just enough details or pieces of information to complete the assignment or test. Deep learning encourages students to make sense of it, connect information, and thinking into the topic. Group discussions and negotiation of meaning is crucial for deeper understanding and construction of knowledge. Again, the information is not knowledge. It's important that you know where to find information and assess it, but it is not knowledge until you have been working with it. Deep learning enables the student to analyze information and apply it in problem solving under different contexts. If you go for your thesis, note, in a master's level study program, all courses will most likely be streamlined to help you progress towards the stage where you're able to write a thesis. Writing a thesis requires a higher order of thinking. Reproducing fragments of information is completely irrelevant at this stage. The earlier in your studies you leave behind your habits of surface learning approaches and rather adopt deep learning strategies, the easier it will be to produce a complex thesis. So, study, search, and assess information. And in this course, you can do that from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. But then you go into collaborative learning, work on the information to increase understanding and build knowledge together with others. Good luck and enjoy.